Zoe, Rumi, you're not supposed to run from real fights. No, wait, that's Sailor Moon. But still, you're Huntrix. Still, there's no shame in a little hide and seek. Especially when you're hiding from demons. And look, there's a way out on the other side. But I wonder where it leads to. Wherever this is, the decorators seem to be fans. Of course, who isn't? Oh, right, these guys. So why don't you do that voodoo you do so well? And send that Saja boy back to Guima. Your turn, Rumi. Besides, a little stretching always pays off. Really takes care of all those aches and pains. And it's just so much fun, too. Especially with a little elbow grease. For our next trick, we're gonna need some kinetic sand. Place it in a mold so we can keep it all in a circle. Pat it down nice and smooth. And cut out a smaller circle. 'Cause now you'll get a ring. Which you can fill with more sand. Keep it coming. We'll tell you when. When? Smooth it out. Make sure to leave room on the top. So we can cover it up with some more pink. Flatten it into place. It's like a mini cake. Which makes it the perfect topper for an even bigger cake. Happy birthday, Rumi! Why don't you make a wish?
Yay!
Spiders and worms? I don't think she wished for that.
Oops.
Still, we can't let a good cake go to waste. Don't worry, Rumi. Here's someone who could help. Who knew a big mouth could come in handy? What a good gator. Ooh, Zoe's got the tea. But do we have some tea for her? Drawing something cute on a plate. And you don't get any cuter than Derpy. Especially with a big pink tongue hanging out. Next, cover it up with some sticky glue. Especially glitter glue. Yes, the glitter's important. Now make sure to spread it around the plate.
Yay!
Okay, Rumi, why not give it a pinch to grow an inch? And see just how far you can make it stretch. Of course, a true artist makes art spring to life. The Saja boys might not be the nicest company, but they can still be fun to have around. Wait, Derple's not a demon. He's just got horns. Aw, I'll remember how animated he was. But he'll live on as precious, precious slime. And he's the perfect shade for Rumi's hair. It looks nice, but something tells me Rumi's got her sights elsewhere. Yeah, it's hard to compete with Ginu. But this gives me an idea for her eyes. Either that or corn on the cob. Just kidding. We're saving that for Zoe. Rumi is sure going to be red in the face. Don't worry. Told you we had a backup. And look, this corn already comes with oil. But you gotta provide your own butter. Try some popcorn. Always more where that came from. Don't get jealous. Make your own pen pal. And when we say pen, we mean it. Looks like Pinky's a little cheeky. Or maybe she's just feeling hot today. Poor Zoe, she's breaking out all over. Guess even pop stars get pimples sometimes. I know you're tough, but I wouldn't pop them. Here, this will help you avoid temptation. But we're sure you won't stop trying. Here, we'll help you kick the habit another way. We just need a tiny Zoe face and fill it up with zits. But maybe throw in a few surprises too. Just don't forget the main event, some pimples for popping. Ah, Rumi, you truly are the Wizard of Ooze. Ooh, looks like Zoe wants a turn. Okay, try and see if you can find that Labubu. It's time for Zoe to put the pop in Pop Idol. And it's a great stress reliever, too. Of course, Rumi has her demons, too. Like nail biting, skin peeling. But you'd think she'd be able to handle her inner demon by now. Zoe's here to help. Let's take pictures. We need a camera. Sure, we don't have one, but I'm sure we can whip one up. We're gonna need a strong lens. Think of it as a big mechanical eye. Don't forget to fix up the shutter. Plus a few buttons. Gotta have buttons. Why don't we test it out first? Cheese!
Oops.
Okay, big smiles, everyone. Hey, you close your eyes. Aw, this one's going right in our scrapbook. Yeah, you should keep that selfie. Wow, who needs a hole punch when she's around? She's a whiz with a paintbrush, too. Ooh, so what do you think she's making?
Phew. Cool.
Well, you can't go wrong with fairy lights.
Hey, no.
All your truck needs now is a mascot. Look at that. It's an ice cream truck. Who's in the mood for some sprunky spumoni? Come on down. We've got a bunch of flavors. Plus, we're always packed with toppings. Cup or cone? Why not choose both?
Hey.
Place your order. Would you like a sample? Let's start with a scoop of cotton candy. And our pistachio just can't be beat. How about a nice juicy strawberry?
Wow.
Here, have a bite. And we've got cones to spare, too. Silly Alexis. Now where's he off to now? Big wheel keeps on turning. Hey, what's that smell? What pretty flowers. They make great paint, too. Why, there's enough for two. But what's she making? Want to make a trade? She needs a straw. That cup should come in handy too. It's a new Ferris wheel. And look, Mr. Sun is the star of the show. Come on, guys, who wants to go for a ride? Okay, everyone, line up. One sprunky for each seat. Soon, you'll feel like you're on top of the world. But that's not the only wheel at the fair. Hey now, a wheel of fortune isn't cheap. Don't worry, we'll make you a place for all your coins. Why do I have the sudden urge to go to an arcade? It's a game of chance. Spin and see where it lands. A Labubu! And look, it's just your size too. Who wants to go next? Okay, Ratty, it's your turn. You got a rock! The Charlie Brown special. Oh, good grief. Wow, have you ever seen a Waxus so excited before? Ooh, looks like you got the mystery box. Just what we always wanted. A button. Hey, who turned off the lights around here? Careful, things get spooky around here at night.
Okay.
Oh, calm down. It comes with an off switch. Oh, we're sorry they scared you. You can look now.
Wow.
And why wouldn't you? Everyone's having so much fun. Yeah, nothing beats a night at the amusement park. Still, mustn't spend too long at the fair. Besides, let's get out of here before they hire some clowns. Oh, don't cry. Why are you still upset? Oh, it's just an upset stomach. Maybe you should just lie down.
Ew.
Why don't we make something to help you? Draw some jagged lines. Add some whiteout. When you're done, cut them out and move them into shape. Fold down those points and put a nice face on things. Fill it up with tissues. Always keep something up your sleeves. And always keep a friendly face at hand. Sure comes in handy when dealing with all this slime. Yeah, I'd keep those tissues coming if I were you. Hey, it's lunchtime. Cue the ramyun. Grab the gimbap. But first, let's get the sprunkies ready for some fine dining.
Oh.
Now we can really get things cooking. Fill it up with water. Now grab your favorite ramyun. Instant Rumi ramyun. Never leave home without it. This might take a while. Hey, where are you going? Come back, you guys. We've got toppings. Toppings! Guess this is one of those don't break your noodles households. Ah, you're at the table. Aw, you sprunkies are so well-mannered. It's movie time, and that means popcorn. Which means we need to make some popcorn. Or better yet, we could make a new friend. Or an old friend, like Zoe. Complete with a big smile. She's the perfect movie-watching buddy. especially when Abby is on the screen. See? This way, the popcorn practically provides itself. Now dig in. Uh-oh! The Sprunkies got into Rumi's secret stash! And it looks like they're not the only ones. Careful, this snack bag can bite back. Looks like Rumi's gonna need a helping hand. Rumi always likes to leave her mark. But we need to stick it to these